Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about creating link lists. A link is reusable messaging content that directs the recipients to an online landing page. Link lists are lists that include multiple links. When messages are sent using a link list, MessageWhiz randomizes the links that are sent, allowing you to test the effectiveness of a landing page or offer. To get started, go to the Workspace menu, select Link Lists, and click Create New List. Using a clear, descriptive name will help keep your list organized. You can either upload a file or add links manually. If uploading a file, drag and drop a CSV, XLS, or XLSX file into the upload area, or browse for it on your device. The file must contain two columns, one for the link and one for the link name. If you prefer to add links manually, select the links from your inventory. Then, click the right arrow to move them into the list. Once all links are added, click Next. Your new list will appear in the link list inventory, ready to use. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.